Redefining what it means to work in comfort, the Kofo Zero Gravity Monitor Arm Pro blends elegant precision with powerhouse performance. Designed with a minimalist aesthetic rooted in Japanese engineering, this monitor arm invites balance and control into your workspace. At its core lies a revolutionary double mechanical spring system that holds up to 30 pounds of weight, supporting monitors up to 40 inches with zero compromise in stability. From the first press of the button, the ZerSonic X responds with commanding energy, fueled by its powerful impulse motor that delivers deep, efficient cleaning without compromise. Whether you need a gentle daily refresh or a high-intensity flush, it adapts instantly with 3 intelligent modes designed to meet personal care needs with precision. Changing tasks, the easily swap nozzles feature keeps you in control. Switch effortlessly between different nozzle types for gum care, braces, or a full mouth cleanse. Shifting how you approach comfort and function, this chair-table hybrid builds versatility into every inch. Designed for those who refuse to stay confined to one spot, it blends transformable comfort with utility and seamless mobility. Whether you're tackling spreadsheets, sketching in a park, or letting your cat curl up next to you mid-read, it adapts to fit the moment. The armrests aren't just static supports, they fold down and lock into several angles, letting you lounge or sit upright, your choice. In the chaos of travel or a spontaneous moment outdoors, having a reliable tripod you can trust isn't always guaranteed, unless you've got the YogaPod. Built to be flat, durable, and astonishingly compact, the YogaPod is a refreshing reimagining of the mini tripod. Its precision-machined body tucks neatly into a bag or even a jacket pocket, ready whenever the moment calls. What makes it different? It can hold your camera vertically without needing a bulky ball head. K's brings a refined approach to managing your creative data. Designed for photographers, videographers, and content creators, this sleek all-in-one storage solution guarantees the protection, organization, and quick access you need to maintain a smooth workflow. Whether you're handling high-resolution files, editing videos on the go, or managing a growing library of images, K's has you covered with its robust structure and cutting-edge technology. With its lightning-fast transfer speed, this storage unit ensures that you're never held back by delays, giving you more time to focus on your creative vision. The Zero Pump is a compact yet powerful solution for all your inflation needs. Weighing only 1.2 ounces, this ultra-mini electric air pump is designed for convenience and portability, making it perfect for quick inflation of air mattresses, pool floats, and other inflatables. Its rechargeable battery ensures you're always prepared, whether for outdoor activities, travel, or everyday use. Despite its small size, the Zero Pump packs a punch. It effortlessly inflates airbeds, inflatable toys, and more. Say goodbye to sluggish afternoons and locked-up joints. The FlexiSpot V6 redefines your workspace by integrating movement directly into your workflow. This isn't just another chair, it's a full-on fitness companion disguised as an ergonomic office seat. Designed to help you cycle while you work, the V6 fights fatigue with every pedal and fuels mental clarity through active sitting. Its precision-contoured cushion cradles your body, relieving pressure during long hours, while the breathable mesh keeps you cool under deadlines. Fortified with unmatched endurance and engineered for harsh terrain, this powerhouse tablet is built to thrive in places where ordinary devices would fail. The RT7 Titan isn't just another rugged tablet, it's a survivalist command center, equipped with cutting-edge technology wrapped in a tough tactical shell. Whether you're operating in construction zones, wilderness outposts, or emergency response situations, it brings more than just connectivity. This Android 13 tablet features a colossal 32,000 milliamp hour battery, capable of enduring for days without needing a charge. Immerse yourself in visual clarity with the Govies Art, where sharpness, color, and comfort intersect. Designed for seamless integration into everyday life, Govies Art delivers panoramic peripheral vision and stays unaffected by changes in ambient lighting. You remain aware of your surroundings, even as you dive into immersive content. Weighing just 3.9 ounces, Govies Art ensures long-lasting comfort with no extra strain on your neck or forehead. In a world where companionship meets cutting-edge intelligence, Rapet stands out as an emotionally aware AI robot pet crafted to be more than a gadget. It's a loyal friend. Engineered with lifelike charm and tactile warmth, Rapet brings a layer of comfort into daily life. Using state-of-the-art visual recognition, it distinguishes familiar faces and mirrors your emotions, creating a sense of presence that feels personal. Whether you're smiling or still, Rapet sees you and responds in kind. Unlock seamless control with the cutting-edge CLVX1, a next-gen keyboard engineered for precision, speed, and adaptability. Built for the modern workflow, it fuses mechanical typing with intuitive gesture navigation. No more toggling between devices or modes. With smart, integrated tech, your fingers never need to leave the keyboard. The CLVX1 lets you work faster, cleaner, and smarter. Precision takes form in this compact powerhouse of optics, built for photographers who won't compromise when space is tight and clarity is critical. With a 400mm focal length and 12 times magnification, this lens delivers long-range performance in a tight form factor. Whether you're capturing wildlife from a distance or isolating urban details, its reach gets you closer without taking a step forward. Engineered with 11 elements arranged in 8 groups, this lens ensures minimal distortion. This is not another gadget. It's a professional-grade control interface engineered for creators, coders, and power users who demand more from their workspace. Crafted with a durable aluminum body, the Modu Controller combines form and function without compromise. Every detail is made to refine your experience. High-resolution touchscreen, motorized potentiometers for tactile control, vibrant RGB LEDs for visual feedback, and seamless integration with your favorite tools. The Govies G3 Max revolutionizes your viewing experience with its massive 1,000-inch IMAX-style display, offering a level of immersion that's hard to match. Designed for those who demand the best, it features a dual 2.5K micro OLED screen, delivering crystal-clear visuals with no edge blurriness or screen door effect. With a field of view of 65 degrees and an impressive 120Hz refresh rate, it guarantees sharp, vivid images from edge to edge. In a world constantly in motion where time never stands still, the HoverPen Traverse becomes more than just a writing instrument. It's a reminder of the continuous flow of ideas. Inspired by the universe's helical motion, its sleek, smooth design reflects the harmony of forward momentum. Crafted for the dynamic individual, the Traverse is built for those who move fast and think faster. Its ultra-light 35-gram body makes it a perfect companion for life on the go. Lighter than a pair of AirPods with their charging case. Craving something cold and creamy without the weight or mess? The Dash My Mug Ice Cream Maker delivers single-serve frozen desserts with precision and ease. After freezing the base for 24 hours, you can whip up ice cream, sorbet, gelato, or frozen yogurt in as little as 20 minutes. Just load your ingredients and press start. It's built for convenience and creativity, offering a dedicated ingredient chute that lets you stir in cookies, fruit, or chocolate chips to make each batch uniquely yours. The Denon AVR X1800H is a powerhouse AV receiver, designed to elevate your home entertainment experience with exceptional 8K video and immersive audio. Perfect for small to medium-sized rooms, this receiver offers a versatile 7.2/5.2.2 channel configuration with support for Dolby Atmos and DTS:X, delivering a cinematic soundscape that surrounds you from every angle. Enhanced with Dolby Vision and HDR10+ pass-through, the AVR X1800H step into a new dimension of atmosphere and creativity with the Kino, a striking retro-modern effects projector that brings the magic of analog light shows into the heart of your home. Inspired by the vibrant energy of the 70s but built with today's sustainable materials and LED technology, The Kino is your gateway to swirling visuals, dynamic color shifts, and pure creative freedom. The XGIMI Elfin Mini Projector is a powerful and compact solution for anyone looking to elevate their home entertainment setup. This ultra-compact device supports 1080p resolution with 4K input, ensuring crisp and clear visuals whether you're watching movies, gaming, or giving presentations. The projector's 600 ISO lumens provide bright and vivid images, even in well-lit rooms, while the HDR10 technology enhances color and contrast for a more immersive viewing experience. Built for users who demand private control over their data without sacrificing speed or access, Pocket Cloud is more than just a portable NAS. It's a compact, high-efficiency gateway to your personal cloud wherever you are. At the core of Pocket Cloud is Station PC, a forward-thinking technology brand backed by Firefly Technology, a trusted name in board manufacturing and embedded computing. For over 5 years, Station PC has focused on delivering high-performance private cloud solutions that are streamlined for modern workloads. The Asil World First 4K Smart Portable Quad Monitor redefines the limits of portable display technology, offering an unmatched visual experience. This innovative monitor features a unique 4-screen display, delivering 4 separate screens in one compact unit. Each screen boasts 4K Ultra HD resolution, ensuring crystal-clear images and vibrant colors for a truly immersive viewing experience. Designed for ultimate convenience, the Asil monitor is equipped with 4 smart functional buttons, allowing users to easily control each screen's settings. The inclusion of a one-cable multi-connection system ensures that setup is quick and effortless, reducing the clutter and hassle of multiple cables. Whether for professional use, entertainment, or gaming, this monitor adapts to any need with ease. Every second on the road demands attention. And now, there's a tool that sharpens your awareness without weighing you down. Weighing just 1.4 ounces, these ultralight CyberSight HUD glasses transform how you experience every drive, ride, or run. Designed with an integrated road safety system, they provide timely body alerts and real-time navigation guidance, all projected clearly into your line of sight. The heads-up display eliminates the need to glance down at phones or maps, helping you stay focused where it matters most. From tight urban corners to open highways, the dynamic display adjusts in real time, minimizing distractions while enhancing decision-making. Stay connected longer with an 8-hour battery life that powers through your day. Precision, elegance, and immersion meet in the most personal way possible. The Breg Zone 1 earbuds are not just audio devices. They are wearable acoustic instruments tailored to your anatomy. Forget generic fits and compromised fidelity. These earbuds are engineered from the inside out, beginning with a high-resolution scan of your ears to create a perfectly contoured shell. Within this custom shell lies a finely tuned balanced armature driver, delivering studio-grade clarity directly into your ear canal. Every driver is placed with pinpoint precision for the most accurate phase alignment, linearity, and separation. Whether you're deep into a cinematic score or the detail of a live jazz recording, Zone 1 pulls you into a world where every frequency is felt, not just heard. The wide dynamic range captures thunderous bass and crystalline highs without distortion. Compact yet powerful, this 3-in-1 tool is engineered for precision and efficiency on any job site or home project. Whether you're aligning shelves, installing trim, or framing walls, it combines essential tools into one rugged design that fits in your pocket. The Cube integrates a digital angle finder, level, and laser distance meter, simplifying complex measurements with absolute accuracy. With a precision rating of plus or minus 0.2 degrees, this device delivers exact readings for every measurement, critical for fine carpentry, tile work, or metal fabrication. A Class 2 green laser projects distances up to 164 feet with exceptional clarity, providing instant distance readings that are 9 times faster than conventional tape measures. When temperatures climb and shade offers no relief, a pocket-sized powerhouse makes all the difference. The JasuLife Handheld Fan Pro 1S stands out with industrial-grade engineering and a compact frame, delivering cold air faster and stronger than typical fans in its class. Inside, a 3-phase brushless motor pair with a robust 5,000 mAh battery to generate air speeds up to 9 meters per second, translating to a furious 15,000 revolutions per minute, more than triple the speed of average handheld fans. On a single charge, it runs between 3 to 15 hours depending on use. The FIDA 2.0 system redefines plant care through precision monitoring and smart customization. Acting as a fitness tracker for your plants, it measures 13 essential plant health metrics, including soil moisture, light intensity, and root conditions to help you make informed decisions. Unlike traditional methods that rely on guesswork, FIDA gives you real-time data that helps prevent common issues like overwatering, poor lighting, and nutrient imbalances. Its modular design includes 4 types of trackers that adapt to different plant sizes, environments, and growth mediums: indoors, outdoors, in soil, or hydroponics. Each component works together to form an integrated network of support, offering interchangeable probes and multiple connectivity options. When recovery demands speed and precision, the Chill Shark delivers a cold plunge system that works as hard as you do. Designed for high-performance lifestyles, this portable chiller turns any standard tub into an elite ice bath. With industrial-grade engineering and a commitment to US-based manufacturing, the Chill Shark blends form, function, and power, bringing the benefits of cold therapy into your daily regimen without compromise. Its military-grade chiller rapidly cools water and maintains consistent temperatures for sustained plunges. The compact vertical build saves space while remaining powerful enough for athletes, wellness pros, and fitness enthusiasts alike. The integrated UV micron sanitation system ensures clean water with minimal maintenance. Easy-to-replace filters streamline upkeep, and the lightweight design allows you to bring it anywhere recovery is needed, from home gyms to professional locker rooms. Stargazing just met its next evolution. Whether you're on a rooftop in the city or camping under open skies, Hestia transforms your smartphone into a powerful astrophotography tool. No bulky equipment or rocket science required. Designed with precision and elegance, Hestia reshapes everything you thought a telescope could be. Compact as a 6x9-inch book and featherlight at under 2 pounds, it slips into your bag with ease, ready for adventure whenever you are. Setup takes minutes. Mount your phone on Hestia's ocular, launch the Gravity app, and align using simple visual cues. From there, Hestia becomes your cosmic guide, automatically tracking and framing the moon, sun, and the most radiant celestial objects. With Hestia, your smartphone camera doesn't just point, it performs. You'll get 25 times magnification and up to 5 times more image sharpness, revealing details like solar flares and lunar shadows. Compact and engineered for versatility, the Lysen 4-in-1 retractable car charger is built for those who demand function without clutter. This unit integrates seamlessly into standard 12-volt vehicle outlets, offering a 180-degree rotating plug for flexibility in cramped dashboards or vertical sockets.